Merry Christmas, everybody. Welcome back to Gagne Farms. It's Christmas time and we are wrapping up our presents.
So we decided while we were sitting here doing this that we would kind of reflect back on our year in YouTube. So we have a whole lot of videos we put out for you guys this year, and we were just kind of looking back. It's been a year for us as well, so we don't go back and watch all of our videos over and over and over again. So we were kind of just reflecting on that and going back about this time last year and seeing what we were up to.
Well, when we wanted to look back and see where we started the year last year, we really started out with maple syrup season.
At the beginning of the year, we start prepping for syrup season. Last year, we actually started opening up new trails. And we also got a filter press. So we made a couple cool videos on that. Let's check out a few of our syrup videos here.
Mom's over yonder.
Welcome back to Gagne Farms. I'm Eric, and today we're going to be tapping our maple trees. So we got a good boil going on right now. As you can see, she's rolling right along. We got our little warming pan here, and that's it. Let her go.
There we go.
We got our RO system set up, so right now we're just boiling down some of our RO'd sap, and we're going to take you along and show you how that goes. Just letting this go all night long. So it works really good. Welcome back to Gagne Farms. I'm Eric, and today I'm going to show you how to finish, filter, and bottle your maple syrup.
So almost 2 gallons. And it is absolutely gorgeous. Nice amber color, very clear. Beautiful, if I do say so myself.
Last year was great since we got our filter press, because that really helped us out. I think that's going to pay off tenfold here in the future for us. So I'm glad we got that. We really had a decent year, weather-wise, considering, I guess. So it was kind of a warm year for syrup last year. So we didn't really get a long season. But,
no, it was very short. But I think we did decent, and I think the filter press really helped us out, saved some time, made our job a little easier, a little more enjoyable. Well, this past year, we kind of, everything just kind of overlapped over each other. We started out with maple syrup season, and we were kind of in the depths of that, and then we started planting seedlings in the house. So that kind of led us right into gardening season.
Yeah, we did expand our garden a lot this year, and that took up a lot of time in the spring, from just expanding the physical size of the garden and then actually planting and getting all the starts this year. We did all of our plants were from starts. We did not buy one single living plant from the store that I
No, we didn't, did we?
No, so that took a lot of extra time, but I was really glad that we did that, and I'm going to continue doing that in the future for sure. I know that. It was a lot cheaper.
Yeah, we're already planning some of that right now for this upcoming season.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at some of the seeds that we started for this past year.
They are a lavender perfection. I want to plant these with the crown up. Oops, right there. There's the stalk. You can kind of see the stalk. We got banana peppers, we got Hungarian wax, we got jalapenos, we got pepperoncinis. I think that's about it.
I know we put a lot of love and care into our garden this year. We definitely had some new things to try, and a lot of things turned out really good this year.
Yeah, we really did have a decent garden. Once gardening season got underway, we really started getting into putting up new tomato trellises and planting all of our starts. So let's take a look at that quick.
Well, there we go with our jelly bean trellis. So we're just gonna drop some baler's twine or some twine down and stake it in the ground and let these guys climb up.
So every time we try something new here on the homestead, it's always a learning experience. The one new thing that we tried this year was incubating chickens, and it was difficult but successful all at the same time. And we definitely learned a lot for this upcoming year.
Yep. We're going to give it another shot. And we also got ducks at the same time this year, I believe.
Yep, right around the time that our chickens were hatching, we got some ducklings. So how many eggs do we have in there? 19 baby chicks. How many do you think will actually get to hatch? So what's going on, girls?
One of the chickens hatched. Oh my gosh, it's really warm.
Say hello to all your fans, Rocky. He's our little baby chick, and we're gonna care for him and love him, and he's awesome and funny and comical and does great things. Welcome home, duckies. There they are. All the little ducklings.
Happy graduation! Today, we're moving these duckers to a bigger habitat.
So just like incubating, having ducks on the farm was another learning experience. I guess you could say this was a real learning year.
Well, they all are to some point, but...
They are. You
Yeah.
really could say that at any point. We had a really good gardening year. We grew a lot of things that we didn't grow before.
Yeah, a lot of things that really did good that we have grown before. So we really had a bumper crop this year, which we were really excited about. But the one bad thing with having a bumper crop like that is you got to be able to preserve it. So this year we spent extra time in the kitchen preserving our crop from the garden. So that took a lot longer this year than we've ever spent. Canning and freezing. We froze a lot of vegetables too. So it really took a long time. So it seemed like there was a long time in there we were just making canning videos, but that's pretty
what
much
we were doing.
Yeah, we were doing that the whole time. You know, we come home from work and we were canning in the evenings and then canning all weekend long, and we were really grateful that happened. It took a long time. So here's a couple clips for you to check out about our canning season.
Eric's getting the jars out of the canner because he didn't want to wait for me to get something to stand on.
She pretty much needs scaffolding to get around here in the house. First pepper harvest of the gardening season here, and we've got some beautiful peppercini peppers, some banana peppers, some Hungarian wax peppers, and some jalapeno peppers. So we're going to process all these and get to canning. So here we are. Sorry for the air conditioner going in the background, but I'm not turning it off because it's hot in here. We got our coleslaw here canned up, our pickles, our pickled cabbage. We got let's see, two pickled cabbages there and 3 coleslaw, a pickle. We got some banana peppers, some Hungarian wax peppers, and some pickled jalapenos and some pepperoncinis. So yeah, that was quite the canning adventure today. Another thing we did this year is I actually did a couple of product reviews of some hunting blinds, and I really wanted to get some cool hunting videos this year, but I didn't have as good a season as I was hoping to have. So I did record a little bit, but I didn't actually throw a video out there for you guys. But check these blind reviews out; you'll love them. I'm Eric, and today we're going to be reviewing our Merrill ground blind. Alright guys, I wanted to show you a real life situation. So I actually just walked out the back door, I walked out into the woods, and I'm going to set the camera down, I'm going to unpack this, and I'm going to set it up, just like if I was to walk out my back door and go out in the woods and go hunting with it. So I want to show you a real life situation as to how this works, and I'll give you my thoughts afterwards. So that's a nice little spot. It's almost like I would call it a hunting blind closet. It's cool. Guess what, guys? I've done it again. It's September 30th, and I've yet to put up a ground blind.
So which blind ended up being your favorite one?
Mine?
Yeah.
The one I shoot deer out of course. Well, that pretty much brings us up to eating season.
Eating season.
Yep. So
first you gotta grow the food, then you gotta hunt the food,
yep.
Then you get to eat the food.
That's how it works around here. So
it is.
Roscoe actually gave me that term there with eating
season.
Yeah, which I thought fit perfectly.
It does. It's fitting.
So we had Candace was making a video series this year. What was it? Holiday Traditions. And this is right about the time that she started up her own channel, which I'll link down below. It's called
Chicken Mama of Gagne Farms.
There you go, Chicken Mama of Gagne Farms. So,
Yep, I started up my own channel, Chicken Mama of Gagne Farms, just to show all things Chicken Mama here on the farm.
yeah, just some different things where, they're a little bit different videos than what we're used to putting out with the Gagne Farms. So we like to be able to do that on a little bit different avenues sometimes.
Just a fun side job in my free time.
Yeah, your free time. Hey, let's check out a few of those videos that we did for our eating season montage.
Hi everybody, welcome back to Gagne Farms. I'm Candace, and I was just thinking about how the holidays are coming up soon. Sugar pie. Thank you for coming on over and watching me make one of our traditional family holiday recipes. For Christmas, my mom makes the most amazing scalloped potatoes. Mom's scalloped potatoes, I can hardly wait. We are going to talk about drinks today. I gotta show them my new chickie shirt.
Sure.
I got a new Christmas chicken shirt. Live, love, chickens.
Yeah. Well, hey, thanks guys for hanging out with us and reminiscing a little bit about 2021 here. We got lots of things going for 2022. I can't even slow Candace down with all the plans she's trying to make for me. So I think Home Depot is going to have a regular customer at the lumber yard. Getting stuff for new pens and fences and all sorts of stuff. Hey, this year we've gotten a lot of new subscribers, and we appreciate each and every one of you guys. So thanks for sticking around and tuning in to us and watching all of our crazy, wacky videos that we got every week. We totally plan on continuing this throughout 2022 as well. So we got lots of things in the works. We got lots of plans coming up. Candace thinks she wants me to build things for her all year, which I'll probably end up doing. I want to have a little bit bigger garden this year, so you guys stay tuned. We got lots of things coming up.
It's going to be really fun and exciting. We may be biting off more than we can chew like normal, but come along and watch us
Succeed. We're going to succeed. That's what we're going to do. All right, guys. Thanks for a great 2021. And here's to a prosperous 2022.
Happy New Year.
All right, guys. Thanks again. We'll catch you on the next one.